Hi, good morning students. Today we are going to solve some numerical problems on spherical lenses. So problem number 20 is, if an object of a 5 centimeter height is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter from a convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter, then find the position, nature and height of the image. So far we were discussing the problems based on the mirrors. So now we are going to use a lens equation. So after reading the problem, what are all the given quantities I will write first. Okay students. So first, what are all the given quantities? The object is of 5 centimeter height. So the symbol used for the height of the object is h always. So this is equal to 5 centimeter above the principal axis. So this is plus 5 centimeter. Height of the object will be always positive. Then it is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter. So object distance is always negative. Okay students, it is negative. And this is how much? 15 centimeter. So this is u equal to minus 15 centimeter. And the focal length. So by sign convention itself we have studied that the focal length of a convex lens is always positive. Is it not? So this is equal to plus and this is 10 centimeter. So first, very clearly in any numerical problem, what are all the given informations you have to write like this. Then after this, from U and F, by using the lens formula, we can derive the expression for the image position. Okay students. So from the lens equation, what is the lens equation to be written? So 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. So this is why we were using one in the mirror formula, 1 by V first we were writing. Next we wrote 1 by U. In between plus sign was written for the mirror equation. So here 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. So I want to get an expression for 1 by V. Okay students, therefore 1 by V is now equal to 1 by F. This minus is going to the left side as plus 1 by U. Okay, so this is now equal to, so 1 by V is now equal to what? 1 by F is 1 by 10. So 1 divided by 10 plus what is the value of U is negative. So that this will become what? 1 by minus 15. Okay students. So I will write here 1 by V is equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 15. So this is LCM. LCM can be taken as 30. 30 can be the LCM. So I will take 30 as a LCM. So 3 tens are 30 minus 15 twos are 30. So that this is equal to what? 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 divided by 30. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by 30 means, therefore what is the image distance? V is equal to plus 30 centimeter. So we are getting the image position. So where is the position of the image? 30 centimeter. If it is a plus means on the other side. Okay students, on the other side of the lens. Okay. Now what else is asked? Height of the image. What is the image height is asked. So for that I am using the formula for magnification. So magnification. What is the symbol for magnification? We have used magnification is given by small m. That is equal to image height divided by height of the object. Okay. So this magnification also can be derived from this equation. So m is also equal to V divided by U. M is also equal to what? V divided by U, and also it can be written as h dash by h. So by first using this expression, what is the magnification I am going to find, because V is equal to plus 30. Okay students. So this is equal to what? 30 divided by what is U? U is equal to what? Minus 15. So this is a minus 15. So therefore M is equal to minus 2. Okay students, M is equal to what? Minus 2. That means magnification is 2 times. It is enlarged image, but it is minus means on the right side of the lens we are getting an inverted image. That is the meaning of it. So instead of m, what can I substitute is now minus 2. Okay. So this also implies what h dash is equal to m into h. Therefore h dash is now equal to, instead of m, what I am going to substitute is minus 2. So instead of m, I am going to substitute minus 2. Instead of h, I am going to substitute plus 5. So this multiplied by 5. So 5 2s are 10 with a negative sign. Therefore h dash is equal to minus 10 centimeter. So this minus means what? This minus sign indicates that the image is formed below the principal axis. So what is the nature of the image? Nature of the image means what? Real, okay, inverted, real, inverted and magnified image. Because magnification, what we are getting is 2 with a negative sign. So it is a magnified image. Real, inverted and magnified image. Have you understood, students? So this is the problem based on a convex lens. Okay, some other problems based on the concave lens also we are going to solve now. Okay. Now problem number 21 is, an object 5 centimeter in length is held 25 centimeter away from a converging lens. Converging lens means what? Convex lens. It is of focal length 10 centimeter. Find the position, size and the nature of the image. Okay, students. So what are all the given quantities? As usual we will write. So an object of height h is equal to plus 5 centimeter. Then it is at 25 centimeter away. Therefore object distance is equal to minus 25 centimeter. And the focal length of the lens f is equal to what? 10 centimeter. It is positive for a converging lens. So this is a plus 10 centimeter. So suppose this is the principal axis, means this is the lens. Okay, this is a biconvex lens. So object will be held somewhere here at a distance of about minus 25 centimeter. So where will be the image formed? Let us see. And this is the optic center. So first from u and f we can determine the image distance v. So from the lens equation, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So from this 1 by v is now equal to 1 by f. This minus 1 by u comes as plus 1 by u. So 1 by v is now equal to 1 divided by focal length is 10. Okay, students, plus 1 by 25 will become minus 1 by 25. Minus 1 by 25. So I can take the LCM in a different way. Now 25 into 1, 25, minus 10 into 1, 10. Like that also I can do. So now 1 by V is equal to 25 into 1 is 25, minus 10 into 1 is 10, divided by 10 into 25 is 250. So 1 by V is now equal to 25 minus 10 is how much? 15. 15 divided by 250. So that this is equal to 5 3s are 15. 5 5s are 25. So it is a 3 by 50. Therefore V is now equal to 50 by 3. Okay. 50 by 3. So 16 3s are 48, isn't it? 16 3s are 48. Point remaining 2. So in 20 again 6 and 6 will be recurring. Therefore, okay, therefore the image distance is equal to plus 16.7 centimeter. Because 6 is recurring. Therefore the image distance V is equal to what? 16.7 centimeter. Up to this, have you all understood, students? Okay. Now what else is asked here? Position of the image we have found. The size we are going to find now from magnification. So what is the magnification? Magnification is equal to what? Image distance by object distance, and that is equal to image distance instead of V, I am going to substitute 50 by 3. So this is 50 by 3 whole divided by minus 25. So in the sum it is given U is equal to what? Minus 25. So this is V by U. So this is coming as negative. So this is equal to minus of 50 divided by 3 into 25. So 3 into 25. So that this becomes what? This is 2 by 3. So image, that is this is equal to, magnification is equal to minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3, which is less than 1. So less than 1 means what? It is a diminished image. So this is a diminished image. Less than 1 is coming. Next one is what? Find the size of the image, means diminished. So h dash by h is equal to m. So this is equal to, or this implies h dash is equal to m into h. Therefore, what is h dash? H dash is equal to, instead of m, minus 2 by 3 multiplied by h is how much? 5. So this is a 5. So that this is equal to minus 10 divided by 3. Okay, students. So therefore h dash is equal to minus of 10 by 3 is how much? 3.33 will be recurring. Okay, students. So this is the height. So height of the image is h dash, which is less than the height of the object. Therefore it is a diminished image. So the image distance is 16.7 and object distance is 25. So this distance is 25, means here it will be what? 16 point somewhere you will get a diminished image like this. So this is the object and this will be the image. So the size of the image is smaller than the size of the object. So it is a diminished image. Then it is image is found below the principal axis. Hence it is what? Inverted image. The image is found on the other side of the lens and hence it is what? Okay, real image. Okay. So that real, inverted and diminished image. So I will write image is real, inverted. Okay. Real, inverted and diminished. Have you all understood, students? Is it easy? Fine. We will see in the next sum.